In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Yahoo Mail from other devices. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a secure and efficient experience in managing your Yahoo account. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Yahoo's sign-in page. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Once there, head over to the Yahoo Mail login site. This will be your starting point. You can easily access it by typing the URL straight into the address bar, or if you've saved it in your bookmarks for quick access, you can use that. Once you've arrived at the sign-in page, it's time to enter your username. This is typically your full Yahoo email address. Double-check for any typos, as even a small mistake could prevent you from accessing your account. Once you've verified your entry, click the Next button. This step essentially tells Yahoo that you are attempting to access your account and is the gateway to the password entry stage. Now, let's proceed to enter your password. Password security is paramount, and it's a good routine to consider updating it regularly. As you type in your password, make sure the caps lock isn't accidentally turned on because passwords are case-sensitive. Having entered your password correctly, you'll want to click on Next again. Assuming your details are correct, you'll find yourself inside your Yahoo Mail account. From here, direct your focus to the account information settings. To get there, click on your profile picture or name located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, then select Account Info from the drop-down menu. This is where Yahoo stores the various settings related to your account, including important security features. The next key area within these settings is the Recent Activity section. Here, you'll discover a list of devices that are currently logged into your Yahoo Mail. Familiarize yourself with this list, as it plays a crucial role in tracking any unexpected or unauthorized activity. Locate the device you wish to log out from. You'll find all the devices that have accessed your account listed under the Connected Devices section. Carefully examine this list, especially if you have logged in from multiple devices in the past. Next to each listed device are three small dots. Clicking on these will present a menu of additional options. This is where Yahoo allows you to manage your active sessions. After selecting the three dots, click Sign Out. This action will remotely log you out of that specific device, giving you added security and peace of mind. To complete this final step, a confirmation prompt will appear. Simply click Sign Out of Session to finalize your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Yahoo Mail from another device, efficiently enhancing your account's security. This straightforward process ensures your Yahoo account remains safe and perfectly managed.